This is a video demonstration on the Tencor P10 surface profiler. This particular unit was upgraded to running Windows XP with the profile software being version 7.0. So this is the screen that the program boots up to, and it's basically where you can make your scan recipes or view the different files that you save. This particular unit I've already programmed in a sequence recipe because this unit has a sequence option. And what it's going to do is measure 3-step height standard attached to an 8-inch wafer. So the first measurement is going to be 7.858 microns. Every time you power the system off, the stylus head raises all the way to the top. So on your initial measurement, when you first turn it on, the nulling process is a little longer on the first measurement. So I have the system set up to do 3 repetitive scans. Now this is measuring the 880 angstrom standard, so it's using the low range. The previous measurement was using the medium range, and this final measurement of 23 microns is going to be using the high range. I chose to do step height, run out, and step width. There are other 2D options that you can pick in the standard software package. But as you see, the measurement is minus 7.852 and my standard is 0.7858. Standard deviation is there's none. So this was the first site. If you wanted to see the second site, you would click on the arrow to the right and choose your next site. It's an 880 angstrom standard, and we're reading 871. This is the final site we measured. Standard was 23.772. So again, we're well within the spec of the standard. If for any reason you wanted to do other measurements on the 23 micron standard, you could minimize this and the original trace would show, and you could go through and you know, measure each area yourself or change the parameters. So that's running a sequence program. You can also go in, and if you just have one spot that you want to measure, you can generate a recipe just for that particular spot. And being our stage is in the 23 micron spot, I'll just use this standard because of the location. The stylus is already at location. You can go to XY view, and this would be where you set up your scan. So you're gonna, this is where the stylus will come down, or steps here. So we'll just hit start. And again, so your data shows up to the left here. That's your step height, your width, and your total run out. The width changes with the cursor here, so depending on how you have it lined up. For any reason, if you wanted to change what you were looking for, you could come in here and go to General Parameters, and this is what the software package enables you to measure in 2D measurement. If you were to select 3D, this is your options. This is the configuration, how the system's currently set up. You're currently equipped with a green stylus, 2 microns. So this is the calibration screen. If you change the stylus or you change your zoom, you have to go through these procedures to have the tool measure correctly, and all this information is in the step-by-step procedures in the manual. So this concludes the video demonstration of the Tencor P10.